Happy days, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. It's MasterTemple here. We've got the book. We're going to be till grading. Now, when we do till grading, what it means is basically we go into shops and we spend with a £10 note and ask for picture 50p's, picture £2 coins. We also can get them from family and friends and other bits and pieces like that. But we do it safely. We don't mix or mingle with people. We we socially distance and adhere to all health and safety guidelines under the current situation. Right, quick scout through of what we're after. Okay, we need the Commonwealth Games, England. We've got the Northern Ireland, we've got that twice. We've got the Scotland, and we've got the Wales. We've got some Olympic ones there. We've got the merry-goes. We've got trains, Britannias, Magna Cartas, Navy boats, Great Fires. We've got them all, apart from that last one. We've even got some territory coins there. Absolutely belters out there. 50p wise, all we're missing on this page is the Kew Gardens. You say all. It's the king of coins, isn't it? Okay, we've got a few on this page, few Olympics. Still needed to get boxing and equestrian. We need football, handball and judo. And then we need triathlon. So we need some pretty scarce Olympic coins. We've got all the Potters. We've got a Newton. And we've got a diversity. In fact, we've got 23 diversities that we've found. We've also got an NIFC up there. That's a 2019 Girl Guiding that I got in my change from Sainsbury's local. Okay, let's have a look at the coins that we've got. We've got a stack of £2 coins and we've got a stack of 50p's. Obviously not much because we can't get out there and get a lot of change. Let's zoom in a tiny bit. See where we are. Okay, so first £2 up. What we got? We've got a Rugby World Cup 1999. Beautiful stuff. But we don't need that one. What else have we got? We've got a St. Paul's Cathedral from 2005. Mightily common. What's this one going to be? It's another Rugby World Cup. Okay, we've got one here. What's this one? Gunpowder Plot. Fabulous coin. Mediocre sort of mintage, but what we don't need. Okay, what's this one? We've got a really scruffy looking train, haven't we? Look at that. That's had some oil on its tracks. Got an oil leak somewhere. Alright, what's this one going to be? It's the Wireless Communications 2001. Again, another one that we don't need. Now this has got the 5th portrait of Her Majesty on, so it's going to be something desirable unless it's the Army Pals. Of course, it's William Shakespeare 2016 Hollow Crown. What's this one going to be? Looks a bit funny down there. That's another St. Paul's. Now, given the high mintage of these, you may look for rotations. I don't know. Okay, last one. 2015. And this one is the Magna Carta. Absolutely epic coin. Now I've got a Magna Carta with the 4th portrait on. With that one on. It was in the complete collection of £2 that I did. I think I must have done it last year. I'll put a link up for you to go see that if you haven't seen it already. It goes to every £2 coin up to Christmas last year, I think it was. So Magna Carta, absolutely belter of a coin. Right, 50p wise, let's have a look at some 50p's. Will we get Outfoot book? So we've got a 2020 there. What's that one going to be? Of course, it's a Brexit. probably the most boringest coin in the entire universe. Well, this one's a filthy looking one. This one's got some grit and grime all over it. And it's Benjamin Bunny. Now, I have been told that you can find rotated Benjamin Bunnies. Do we look for them? I don't know. 2020. Another one. Another one. Yeah, dearie me. Another 2020. Now this is a diversity. Now, if things go to plan and the mintage figures are what they say they are, this will be a desirable coin in a few years' time. 2.5 million minted, apparently. So it will be worth popping away, because it's lower than some of the Potters and some of the Olympics. Not the best Potters in the Olympics though, but still. So we've got another one there. 2019. It's Mr. Cathedral. Okay, what we got here? 2020 again. It's a diversity built Britain. Now this is a lot better design, even though it's just text on a little bit of a geometric background. It is a lot better than the bread. Why have I put that there and there? I don't know what I'm doing. We'll go there. Right, next one up. Cracking coin. EU Stars, the Brentrance coin. It's about 5 million minted, I think. So it's not terribly scarce, but it's becoming more scarce because of its years and its political matter. I think I will still put that away. All right, this one. Look at this. This looks odd, doesn't it? Have you seen a coin like this before? Elizabeth II, D.G. Regina. By grace of God, defender of the faith. Gibraltar, 2017. And it is the anniversary of the referendum, 50p. 50th anniversary of the referendum, 50p. I've never seen one. I think I saw one once on Caledonia Coins' channel. I think he found one. Maybe a live stream or something. I can't remember. Long time back. But I've never seen one. I don't have one in my collection. This is perfect. And I tried to do a little bit of research on this, but I can't find the mintage figures. And of course, some of the territories, crown dependencies, don't release vintage figures. Right, so the belters from this lot, nothing for the book, but we've got a Magna Carta and we've got a referendum. So I think they're the two keepers. We'll keep this one as well, and we'll obviously pop down 3 more on a tally chart at the back of the album. Okay, which is your favourite? Let me know, folks. And until next time, do take care, stay safe, and as always, happy days.